Correct. S-E-R to the U-S. Elite. Shit. We gon' do it like this. Guess who's the man this year? We're in the freshest gear, and there's some rap careers. Y'all niggas a pack of quiz. Let's make it very clear. I got the cannoneer to make your guts hang down like a chandelier. My band's a band you fear. It's kinda obvious. My flow's tight just like a karate fist. Don't try to copy this, cause I'll break your jaw. You niggas salted in a padded bra made from straws. I don't play fair, put you in a wheelchair. I'm a grown man, you still in daycare. I let my age flare. I make you very scared and leave your brain scattered in the air and everywhere. That's how I do, son. My squadron shoot guns. You got 2 lungs, well you could lose one. I rep the hood I'm from, a beast what I become. My flow is so dumb, retarded like William Hung. Damn, I'm so mean, nigga, fuck your whole team. Right here we hold beams, leave your body in a cold stream. Yeah, this extreme gun in my Levi jeans will lay you out flat like a fucking plasma screen. Serious, I get it in, fight with no remorse. The gun force will make your bones just divorce. Represent New York, hustle drugs of all sorts. My homies hustle fanny bag eat like loose shorts. Your money's too short, but like, oh fuck.
Yo! 1 minute, 20 seconds, man. Sucker free. I love New York.